Good morning, all of you. Myself is Smita Lokare from Department of Physics, Anantara Power College, Pirangut. Today, I take the topic on thermometry. Then, what do you mean that thermometry means what? Thermo, its name suggests that thermo means temperature and metry means measurement. Okay. Then, accurate measurement of temperature of the body or the substance is the important branch of heat in physics. Okay. Temperature is basically a measurement of kinetic energy of the particle. What is meant by kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is when the body is in motion and having some mass. Then kinetic energy is E is equal to 1/2 mv square. This energy is related to the temperature. Then thermometry is the process of measuring the temperature, and the various calculation is based on conversion of temperature from one scale to the another scale. Means that we can measure the temperature in one scale to another scale. This measurement is related to the thermometry. Okay. Then what is the difference between temperature and heat? Okay. Sometimes we all the student is confusing on the two terms, which are the heat and temperature. They are correlated with each other, but their definitions are totally different. Okay. Then heat is the change of temperature due to the transfer of heat energy between the system and its surrounding. This transfer of energy is called as the heat. Okay. Then what is the unit of heat? We can take the unit in Celsius as well as SI unit. The Celsius unit to measure the heat is nothing but calorie, and SI unit is the joule. Then what are the difference? What is the relation between the joule and calorie? Then 1 calorie is equal to 4.186 joule. Then transfer of heat takes place in 3 ways. One is the conduction, second is the convection, and third one is the radiation. Okay. Then temperature. Temperature means what? Temperature is the all objects have physical properties that determines whether the body is hot or not. Okay. Then whether the body is in thermal equilibrium. This property, that is the physical property of the body, is called as the temperature. Then what is the definition? The definition of temperature is the measurement of degree of hotness of any body is called as the temperature. Okay. Then the temperature is measured in various scales. We know that the degree centigrade, degree Fahrenheit, and another scales. Okay. Then thermometry is also the one of the example. We know that the thermometer is the device which can measure the temperature in degree centigrade. Okay. The next. Heat energy is always flow from the higher temperature to the lower temperature. Heat and temperature both are the concepts of thermodynamics. We know that the thermodynamics is the branch of physics which deals with the study of temperature, transfer of temperature, or deals with the study of conversion of transfer of one energy form to the another energy form. This branch is nothing but thermodynamics, and heat and temperature both are worked together in the branch of thermodynamics. Okay. Then heat depends on the number of particles in the object. But temperature does not depend upon the number of particles, it depends upon the object, because it is the average measurement. It is the microscopic coordinate, or it is the microscopic variable. Next. Any property of the material which changes with temperature can be used to indicate the temperature in the principle of thermometry. Okay. Expansion of the solid is the one of the example. Liquid and expansion of liquid, expansion of gases are used to make the thermometer. Okay. Resistance of the wire can be changed. This resistance is always denote the temperature. This is nothing but your resistance thermometer. This resistance thermometer and thermometer are the two devices which are used in the thermometry. Next. The center centigrade scale. First scale we well known that the temperature measurement scale is the Celsius centigrade scale. The centigrade scale was first invented by the scientist Celsius in 1742. How it is convert the thermometer in degree centigrade, also how it is scale the thermometry as a degree centigrade. He first made that the 0 as a fixed point. Fixed point and 100 is the 0 is the lower fixed point and 100 is the upper fixed point. These two fixed points are divided into the 100 equal parts. So least count of thermometer or least count of thermometer is nothing but your 1 degree centigrade. Means that the measurement of one division is nothing but your 1 degree centigrade. It is known as the Celsius scale. Then next is the Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit scale is also suggested by the scientist Fahrenheit in 1720. He marked as a 32 as a lower fixed point and 202 is the upper fixed point, and he marked these two fixed points, that is the 32 and 272. It is make the division at, or it is marked as a 180 equal parts. Okay, then each part or least count of Fahrenheit scale is nothing but 9 by 5 Fahrenheit. Okay, this is known as the Fahrenheit scale. Next, what is the relation between next? What is the relation? Next. What is the relation between centigrade scale and Fahrenheit scale? The relation is nothing but Tc is equal to 5/9 Tf minus 32, or Tf is equal to 5/9 Tc plus 32. Tc means the temperature in degree centigrade and Tf means temperature in Fahrenheit. If you take the one example that we can convert the 120 degree centigrade into the Fahrenheit scale, we can put the 120 at the Tc position and we can calculate, we get the temperature in degree Fahrenheit. Next, the scale, these two scales are universally adopted, and another scale we know that well-known scale, that is the Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale is found by the physicist Kelvin in 1824. Okay, Kelvin scale, it is nothing but your degree centigrade scale. It is also called as a degree, or it is the degree centigrade scale. Actually, it is the degree. Okay, next one is the Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale was derived by the British scientist Kelvin. Okay, he gave the relation between degree centigrade and degree Kelvin is that degree centigrade is equal to Tk minus 273.15. 273.15 is the Kelvin scale, which is 0 degree centigrade is shifted to the 273.15 Kelvin. Okay, next. Then one example, that is the how to convert the 150 degree centigrade into the Kelvin scale. That is the we can take the Tk, that is the Kelvin scale, which is equal to 150 plus 273. We get the Kelvin. Okay, next scale is the Reaumur scale. Reaumur scale is nothing but ice point, that is the 0 degree centigrade. It is nothing but your lower fixed point, and steam point, that is the 80 degree centigrade. Then it is divided into the 80 equal parts. We get the Reaumur scale. Okay, these are the formulas which get the from which we can convert the degree Fahrenheit to degree centigrade to degree Kelvin, degree Kelvin to degree Reaumur. These are the first formula give the relationship between the degree centigrade, degree Fahrenheit, degree Reaumur. Okay, next. Okay, then last scale is the Rankine scale. Okay, Rankine scale is generally used in the engineering system where the heat consumption is very high. So it is using the degree Fahrenheit. Okay, these are again the relation between Rankine, degree centigrade, degree Kelvin, degree Reaumur. Okay, next. Then here we see the temperature measurements in degree centigrade, degree Kelvin, degree Fahrenheit, degree Newton. We can convert the temperature. Thermometry is nothing but your measurement of temperature. It is used in various branches, that is the engineering, science, medical. All branches are related with the temperature, and temperature is related with the thermodynamics, and thermometry is the measurement of the temperature. Okay, thank you.